welcome back. It's the new year. Not like it wasn't in the last video, but for me it wasn't, for you it was. Happy New Year once more. Today we are going to be DIYing or attempting to DIY distressed jeans. I would like to call myself an amateur beauty / clothing fashion video person of some sort. So I will say that I'm decently okay with this stuff. But then there's the times, which is 90% of the time, that I fucking suck at stuff like this. If you don't know or haven't watched my videos, I don't do my makeup often. Currently I have eyeliner and mascara on, and that's the brilliance that comes from my brain as fashion and beauty. But I do like to try different things. I tried putting on my eyelashes last week, and I have tried multiple other things, including doing thrift hauls and clothing hauls from Stitch Fix and other things like that. It's my main passion, I'd like to say. Otherwise, doing other fun things. Honestly, making you guys laugh is my biggest joy in the world. Basically, I do want to try and attempt this because I do have a pair of jeans that fit really well, but I ended up staining the knee here from a crock pot or something. It was a cast iron pan. I sat it on my knee to go wash it, and let's just say it went straight onto my knee and left this big black fucking piece of shit on it. And I don't want to get rid of them because they're a really nice pair of jeans, and they fit the best I've ever had a pair of jeans fit. Dear God, they just fit my body like the most amazing piece of string cheese in wrapping that you've ever seen. I feel like the epitome of a snack. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I am going to kind of just bring you guys down to the floor here because I don't have a table and the floor is the best thing that we can do. Also, just so you guys know, we're gonna need some weird things if you're gonna be following along with me and doing this with me. You're gonna need scissors, a cheese grater, which I stole from my boyfriend who we just got for Christmas, ha ha ha. An eraser, which is a new one, I promise. This handle's mine, but this is a new raising piece. And then tweezers. The tweezers, I believe, are an important piece. Obviously the scissors, and the tweezers is something that you can do. This is 3 or 4 different styles to do this in. So that's why I say you don't need all of these. From my opinions, not doing it before, I would say that maybe the tweezers and the scissors would be best, but I guess we'll see. Alright, let's just get to this, shall we? Hello, editing Sunny, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're having a nice relaxing day since it's your editing day. That or it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you're in bed right next to Caleb. Trying not to wake him up with your tappity tappity tap tap tap. Hi. Okay, so I think we're good now. I'm gonna zoom up and down depending on what we're doing. But real quick, actually, I have this pulled up on my computer, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick photo of what we're kind of looking at today. These are the kind of ideas that I'm going off of. But yeah, so that's kind of the original where the idea came from. I'm excited. I honestly don't think I've ever really done this before. If I have, I don't remember, and it wasn't a good situation. So these are the power pens. And as you can see, it actually already has a hole in it as well. That was kind of the main problem. Because I think, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because this is where the stain is. I think you guys can see it a little bit. But then it has this hole, and it's one hole. That's not stylish. You need to, up that a little bit. Up the ante. So, let's see if this is something we can do. I'm probably going to do all the positioning wrong, and that's what I'm most worried about. But it's fine, because if they're not good, we'll throw them away and forget it ever happened. Except for the fact that I'm posting this for people to see. Okay. So I know you guys aren't going to be able to see my face as much, but basically it's not that important. My face isn't the important part in this. It's the jeans. So first, I want to try the ones that aren't as likely to work, just because I'm kind of curious, because if they do, it seems like they're a little bit easier to do than the other one. But then again, if they don't work, then it means nothing. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try the cheese grater. I normally cut myself on these, so that's fun. I don't know which way these go, but it's fine. So apparently you're supposed to like put something in here so it doesn't like go through, but I didn't plan out that far. So we're just gonna kind of put it on the ground there a little bit or something. It's fine. We're just gonna take it right here. Just do a nice scratchy scratch. That did nothing. Okay. Why aren't you doing anything? Puppet. Work with me, puppet. I don't want to cut my fingers. Emergency planning. Let's use this. It will work, right? Okay. Alright. Let's see if that'll smush into my placement in my fat ass eye. And then maybe we can like pull it up, hold on to this, and get something going. Ooh, off the edge of the board is kind of working. Getting a nice angle there. It's not working. Either that or I'm just really bad at destroying things because like I'm kind of not a destroyer. Mostly because I don't want to fix it. I don't know. This isn't working! Fuck you grater of cheese. You're supposed to grate my pants too, and this is all you did. Look at that. That did nothing. All I have is this little divot and like a semi-hole. That's it. What the heck, dude? No. Alright, on to the next one is the razor. Like I said, it's brand new, so it doesn't have any stuff in it. We're just gonna like do the same thing we were doing before. I don't even know which way we're supposed to do it. So I'm just gonna kind of go for it. I'm gonna do like a firm grasp. You know what? I'm gonna take this and put it back under there. Just because it seems like it did help, like putting a grasp on it, and I'm not like worried about doing something wrong. If that makes sense. What the fuck? This isn't working at all. It's like shaving it, literally. Like there's shavings here. Can you see that? Like there's legit shavings. But that's not making holes. I want holes! Damn it! Now I'm just ruining my razor. This was supposed to be a nice razor, guys. Do you know how much Gillette costs? And yes, I am a woman using Gillette. Alright, it's a good brand. It's worth it. Gets my hair off. The only thing it doesn't do is get the fucking jean off the jean to give me some holes. It's fine. I'm fine. It's all fine. It's fine. I'm taking a sip of green tea for my sanity, and then we'll get going. Okay. So now we're gonna try the actual method that most people say works, which is the let's cut a hole in it and then pull out all the strings very tediously and meticulously, because that's something that I had the time to do today. Sadly, it'll probably be the one that actually works. So let's try. Bring you down back here. This, I am going to make sure that this is underneath because I don't want to grab any fabric from underneath. I'm also going to try and be a little more complacent because I realize I've just been kind of like going anywhere and I don't want to like have a fucking crotch hole because that's not a fun time. So let's just do like a snippy snip here. Snippy snip. Snippy. Snippy yippy. Is that an okay starting hole? Can you guys see that? Here, I'll zoom you in. I think that's like an alright hole to start with, right? So we'll just start with that one right there. And then I'm gonna put one like that big below it, and then maybe another one like that size, and then a little one. And we'll see how that goes. I'm not gonna like do too much, but then again, what is really too much at this point? I'm cutting holes into jeans. Like I think we've passed the level of too much. Like why don't I just go to the fucking store and get myself some fucking jeans, you might ask, with holes in them? Well, one, I'm a giant and I can never find anything that I want. And two, I'm a cheapskate. Just a little bit. Like, I'm cheap. Sorry. I like my money where it belongs. In my wallet. Or my bank account. Or wherever else it resides. All right, now comes the tedious part, which is going to be going even closer in and picking out the fucking strings. Huh? Let's just get this over with. I want to try and do this. Kind of getting somewhere. All right, I think I'm trying to get a technique because I just got a little big of white strand. I am gonna flip these because I think the way that these jeans go, they're crisscross kind of style rather than being like straight up and down. That might just be me being an idiot, but it does kind of seem like that. So I think in a little bit I might try to like switch it around and do it the other way. Let's see. That's all I'm willing to do right now. Let me clean this up, and I don't know if you guys see this, but like that's what came out of that. That was a long, like 20 minutes trying to just do one hole. I know it wasn't for you guys, but it was for me. I'm going to zoom you guys out and set you up, and I'll show you the final result of my holy jeans. Let's go. All right, are you guys ready for the result? Wha-bam! It's such a tiny baby. Yes, I know I need to work on it, but it's a start. It's a start. Like, okay, so this is the, stain, and then this is the hole that was already in here, probably from me falling or something because I'm so freaking clumsy. But first off, look at these jeans. Like, I don't know if maybe I'm just, going crazy, but like, I feel like I look so nice in these. And look, they cover my ankles. That's a hard task to follow when you're shopping for tall people, and I am a tall people, so woo. But yeah, so this is the hole that we have made. I'll close you in a little bit. Don't know why I'm zooming into my crotch. Fucking focus. All right, there we go. All right, so this is kind of what we're working with. So obviously, like, it was my first time. I didn't do perfect, but I feel like I didn't completely fuck it up, Like, it's not terrible. I feel like this is far out and this isn't. And maybe if I went out farther, it wouldn't look so stupid. Like right now, it just kind of looks like a stick man. Because like eyeball, nose, arms, body, arms. But it's fine. He looks adorable. It's all that matters. But this is kind of what we're working with. I'm honestly not mad at this final result at all. It wasn't that bad. And for my first time, I think the only problems that I really had were trying to like really get it down pat. It was like only halfway through that I started to realize how this works. It's like, oh, you aren't like pulling sideways. You're like pulling the things out from the sideways things. Yeah. See, the confusion that you just had from that is the confusion I have for about 15 to 20 minutes. And it was only like 20 minutes into like a 30-minute session that I realized, oh shit, I'm doing this wrong. And then I started seeing all the white and I was like, oh, that's how you do it. I'm an idiot, all right. But like, one thing I will say is this is not something I'm going to continue to get done completely today in this video. But if I do, I will post a photo somewhere for you guys, probably on my Instagram, to give you the final result of what it looks like when I do finish them. I don't know when that will be. Seems like a long task. Maybe I'll do it like over the next couple days while like watching TV, like an old lady knitting, but instead of just ripping at my jeans like a sophisticated person. Yeah. But overall, I'm pretty happy, and I hope you guys deem it well too, and maybe you want to try it as well. Don't follow in suit with me. Maybe try watching some other videos alongside mine before attempting it yourself, just to give yourself a little bit better of a chance of not being an idiot like myself. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment down below if you've done this before and how it went for you. If you have any tips or tricks, I would love to hear them, because if I am going to keep doing this, I kind of want to see the easiest way to do it. I might even need to do some research too. But yeah, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification down below as well so you can get a notification every single time I post. But that's about it for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Say hello to Sloth Man. Hello.